Hey, it's Midthinker here. Today, I'll fire up the griddle again to make classic American breakfast. Pancakes, hash brown, eggs, and bacon. So let's get to it. It is always a hassle to cook breakfast in the morning because it creates a lot of mess and lots of dishes to clean. But if you cook all of them on the griddle, it makes it easier and quicker and you don't have much to clean up. I'm cooking hash brown first because it takes the longest. What I have here is 5 small medium-sized potatoes, grated with a box grater, washed and squeezed dry. You can season it however you would like, but I'm going plain without any seasoning. Throw on some butter on the griddle and spread the hash brown wide and even. You'll start to see the browning around the edges. Leave them on until the bottom is crispy brown. I'm going to cut this up into 4 sections to make it easy to flip. Go ahead and flip them and let the other side cook. Once they're done, stack them onto one pile and set it on the side to make room for some bacon. I'm going to turn the heat on low on this side. Alright, next throw in the bacon strips. You don't need me to explain to you meat thinkers on how to cook bacon on this video. I'll leave you alone to watch this beautiful scene. Bacon is done and I'm putting them on the warming rack. I have a lot of bacon grease here, so I'm going to clean them off to have the griddle ready for pancakes. This is your generic pancake mix from the grocery store. Pour the batter onto the griddle. It will usually take about 2 to 3 minutes per side depending on how hot the griddle is. But for pancakes, I have all my burners on low. Two minutes are up and let's flip them. And you can see it's a nice golden brown. Last but not least, let's throw in some eggs. I prefer fried eggs over scrambled, so I'm going to cook them over easy. There you have it, fast and easy American breakfast on the griddle. Go ahead and give this a try. What do you guys like to cook for breakfast? Let me know what your favorite breakfast menu is in the comment section. I'll probably try what you guys cook next time. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.